Hola, estudiantes. This is Español 3, Unidad 2, Palabras del Trabajo. Every time you see that purple circle with the speaker in there, that is a mote. Thank you to the students who taught me how to use that, and I am on that slide actually talking to you for a little bit in there. All right, when you see this, see how it is a blue or an aqua, it's bold and it's got that line underneath it. That's a Quizlet set, so when you click on it, it will take you to the Quizlet set. And again, there's that mote thing there. Want to make it very clear. I believe that any of you can choose any profession that you wish to pursue. As you're looking at the graphics and as we're doing things, please know I did my best to avoid any kind of bias in the visuals and the graphics. And feel free to send me a picture that you select for me to use in the future. In class, we're going to go over these words using Quizlet. We're going to practice back and forth. So think of this also. What do you think of when you hear these words? What do you think of when you hear of el anuncio clasificado? It's kind of a cognate. Announcement classified. Oh, it's an ad. Beneficios. It kind of looks like benefits. What do you consider benefits? Health insurance, retirement, sick days, stuff like that. So as you go through these words, take a moment to stop and think about what comes to mind as you're studying these words here. We're going to work on these preguntas personales in class. So make sure you pause right now and try handwriting. Some students are telling me they're working on their sentence structure. They're working on word order and spelling. So literally take this recording and pause it. Grab a piece of paper and on that paper handwrite. Número 1, en el futuro, ¿quieres ser el jefe, la jefa, o prefieres ser el empleado, la empleada? Handwrite that out. Handwrite all of these out, 1 through 5, on a notebook, and then pause and take a few minutes and try writing out the answers. So I'm going to practice asking you the question, and then I want you to pretend you're responding back to me. Ready? En el futuro, ¿quieres ser el jefe, la jefa? ¿O prefieres ser el empleado, la empleada? Pause if you need longer time. Now you ask me, repite por favor, en el futuro, ¿quieres ser? Since I'm female, ask me la jefa. So you would say, en el futuro, ¿quieres ser la jefa? ¿O prefieres ser la empleada? Go ahead and ask me. Ready, go. And here's my answer. Pues depende. A veces prefiero ser la jefa, pero a veces prefiero ser la empleada. Depende en el puesto. All right, so número 2, I'm going to ask you the question. ¿Tienes una habilidad específica ya? Ok, pregúntame a mí, ask me. Repite, por favor, ¿tienes una habilidad específica ya? Now put it all together and ask me. Sí, yo hablo español y yo sé escribir a máquina y tengo la capacidad de usar la computadora. Ok, número 3. I'm going to ask you. Escucha y responde. ¿Te gusta trabajo voluntario? ¿Qué tipo? Ok, pregúntame a mí. Sí, me gusta trabajo voluntario. Me gusta visitar a personas viejas. Me gusta participar en dar comida a personas que necesitan comida. Ok, número 4. ¿Eres estudiante de... I shouldn't have done it as a question. This is just a statement. ¿Eres estudiante de escuela secundaria ahora? ¿Buscas empleo o ya tienes empleo? Okay. Pregúntame a mí. Now, I am not a student. So, what you could say is you could say, hey, señora Stuck, ¿eres profesora? ¿Buscas empleo? ¿Ya tienes empleo? Or you can pretend I'm a high school student and you can say, ¿eres estudiante de escuela secundaria ahora? ¿Buscas empleo? ¿Ya tienes empleo? Ready? Pregúntame. No, no busco empleo. Ok, número 5. ¿Prefieres empleo a tiempo completo o a tiempo parcial? Para mí, yo prefiero empleo a tiempo completo. ¿O prefieres enfocarte en tus estudios? All right, let's take a peek through this. We're going to go through this as a class, so there's going to be another Quizlet set. I see, for example, that I don't have that done yet. I'm going to make that a Quizlet link into your Quizlet sets. And then we're going to spend time going through, oh, there they are. There's the Quizlet set right there. We're going to go through the words. We're going to practice saying them. I do want to know from you if there are specific words you want or need for your own personal career future. For example, maybe pilot, maybe veterinarian. Maybe truck driver. Totally cool. Any job that's an honest job and a legal job and contributes to society is a good job. There are words from our curriculum left out, and I noticed that I've got 3 students that are pursuing cosmetology, physical therapy, and physical trainers. So, cosmetólogo, cosmetóloga, fisioterapeuta, fisioterapeuta, entrenador or entrenadora. I'm going to stop the video a second to make this a shorter video, but as you can see in class, we're going to practice asking back and forth, ¿cuáles empleos o puestos te interesan? And we're going to practice, ¿quieres ser? ¿Te interesa ser? ¿O conoces a una? Do you know someone? I'm going to stop the video here to make this not too terribly long. And when I come back and have the other video, I'm going to start here with practicing with you guys on what jobs interest you. Okay, hasta luego.